subscribe, please.
Figured this. I threw some junk on the way in the load of the rotors because I'm trying to top it off, but see how this video is here. do myself. Sorry to be a pain in the ass with that. I did a boat ride. My name is John Lombardo on the site on YouTube. And I got one video with 78,000 views, then another one with 22,000, then another one with 10. And I'm not really hitting that lately at all. And then we got drunk on a boat, and I videoed that, and then the boat ran out of gas. So that should go good, you would think. I mean, that's pretty stupid. Like, I gave him gas money. So I'm thinking, like, there's gas in the boat. So like, I fixed up my boat. Yeah, a lot of people do that. There we go. Watch me bust a $450 camera. I got that shit off. Happy about that. There, trying it out. So like, this ain't bad today, like, cause I got a converter. You know what I mean? They have converters. Make, you know, they make or break the boat. Thank you. I should have took the cord off, man. Like, you can find, there's little factories like Jamestown or something. Yeah. I mean, you know, you don't go around doing it for so long. You start hearing stuff, and they pay good. I just don't, you know, like, I don't know how to connect with them or anything like that. But I was hearing stories about Jamestown that, like, they got a factory that's smelting them, and they rather buy. But I heard that it's like insane money. But, you know what I mean, you get that hit. You know, I couldn't find it yet. I don't have the dollar right now. Watch out. That worked out really good. I picked this up with a magnet afterwards. Magnet the floor, and that's when all this shit came up. perfect shortly. Okay, can I drop it this time or no? Okay, next time don't bring it in. I mean, cut it with my axe. I'll cut it with my axe then. I flipped it over though, so if there's anything in it, it drained on my truck.
Yeah, when we ship it out, they don't know that.
They can't know that these are in there. Or yeah, they don't. All right. Sorry.
You auto cast next.
Yes, sir. I'll kill this. Thank you. Here, I'll try to not get you direct. That one does not work. Okay. This is really loud and obnoxious. You guys should love this. Sorry about this, the noise. And I make it worse with the camera. If I can lift like that again. I'm trying to lift 3 up at a time. Yeah, we'll go like that more. If I get enough subscribers and you guys do it, then you guys are already on my account and it open you guys up. You know, once I start traveling the world. Because I'm going to save up and go to like Thailand or something. Can I get rid of one of them big bearings over there? I got one bearing only on the truck and it's done. Alright, thank you. I'll get down safer than I did last time.
Are you going to weigh out and go over here?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
This is all for today. See ya.